You have definitely seen these miniature cooking videos on every single social media platform, and there is a reason. They are everywhere. These videos are so visually satisfying that people watch them on repeat without even realizing it. They are exploding all over the internet right now, and this Instagram page has gained 7,300 followers just by posting this exact style of content. And one of their videos has already reached 26.5 million views. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes. I am going to show you the totally free method to create these yourself. But before we start, 83% of our viewers have not subscribed yet. If you want to keep getting tutorials like this one, hit that subscribe button right now. Head over to the description below where I have already written a detailed prompt for you. Copy the full prompt carefully without missing a single word. Now open Google Flow, select the video option, choose OmniFlash as your video model, and set your other desired video settings. Now here's the only thing you need to do yourself. Paste the prompt directly in, enter your desired food item inside the designated food section in the prompt. That is it. Hit generate, and in just a few seconds, your miniature cooking video will be completely finished and ready to go viral on the internet. Now watch another one I created using the exact same method. Different food, same prompt, same process, another satisfying video, ready in under 2 minutes. And that is exactly what makes this workflow so powerful. By simply changing the food item inside the prompt, you can create unlimited miniature cooking videos without ever starting from scratch. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.